Page 5 of the Standard also has that, and it's basically the whole what was expected yesterday and what happened. Page, I believe it's 5, where you have, yes, there you go, Uhuru wants NASA kicked out of the case. And of course, we can see some of the lawyers who were there yesterday, and we'll wait and see how that goes. Also, moving on to page 9, I believe, I think you skipped it. If let's see, yes, Uhuru questions petition documents and electoral agency internal memo. So of course, there's a lot that we're waiting to hear. But again, this being the pre-trial conference was mainly to see who's going to attend the court, who is allowed, who are friends of the court. Another interesting development yesterday was the fact that the Attorney General, Githu Muigai, was excluded as a friend of the court. In this particular case, he is not seen to meet the threshold of being a friend of the court. Yes,
the Attorney General was excluded as an amicus curiae, but he was also enjoined as an interested party. So there was that play of both two that we saw there as a determination by the Supreme Court. So I think he will still be part and parcel, but not as an amicus curiae, but as an interested party in this particular case.
All right, and of course that continues today, and from 10 o'clock we're expecting them to sit. This went on into the late night yesterday, the pre-trial conference. So from 10 o'clock right here on KTN News, we'll be bringing you live coverage of what is going to be going on at the Supreme Court and breaking it down for you as much as we possibly can. Let's look at